Hey, what's going on, guys? My name's John Erickson, and I'm 6 feet tall.
Are you potentially available January 16th?
I am.
Do you have any skateboarding experience?
I do. I actually own 2 longboard skateboards currently, and I grew up riding a shortboard. Could do some tricks back in the day, and I've done skateboarding while filming because it captures a smooth shot.
Do you have any camera operating or camera phone operating experience?
I do. I've done some short films, and I've done some commercial photography and video as well. Okay, looking good. I'm gonna start with a rolling shot, coming right in, okay? And I'll give you a 3 count. Action.
When I get a chip in my windshield, I trust Monroe.
Not bad. One more time.
I only have one windshield.
All right. Okay. Wait. What is that? Is that a giraffe? No, it's a lion.
No, it's Italy.
I don't know about that. It might be Croatia. I think that looks like Key West. Let's get a close-up. It's definitely the Caribbean islands. This is gonna be so cool. Okay.
You can schedule at any time at monroe.com.
Anytime.
That's service on my time, service the way I need it.
Anytime.
You can do it on your phone, and it's super easy. You pick the time and place.
Anytime.
Map UI shows how far away his driver is.
So high-tech.
That's why at Monroe, they show you exactly when they'll be here.
Yeah. Cool. Most of the time, insurance covers the repair at no cost to you. And cut. All right. High five. Okay. 1, 2.
When I get a chip in my windshield, I trust Monroe.
One more time.
I only have one windshield.
Okay. Action. Wait. What does that look like? Is that a giraffe?
Nah, more like Italy.
Oh, I see the boot. I think that's the constellation. That's the Big Dipper. Oh, that looks cool. I think that's a mouse. Okay.
You can schedule at any time at monroe.com.
Anytime.
That's service on my time, service the way I need it. You can do it all on your phone, and it's super easy.
Super.
You pick the time and place. Map UI shows how far away his driver is.
High tech.
That's why at Monroe, they show you exactly when they'll be here.
They're usually right around the corner. Most of the time, insurance covers the repair at no cost to you.